Good morning. I spent the night here. I made a campfire last night. I did not film it. I just wanted to enjoy it. I didn't want to run back and forth and film. It would have been nice, and it was nice. Today's the second day. In the morning, I would make a campfire tonight, but it's gonna start raining from what I can see at around 4 o'clock. I don't have much going on today. Sit around, enjoy nature. I specifically came down here to decompress. This is what you're gonna see today. It's been raining the past couple of days off and on, so they closed all the trails. I decided I'm just gonna walk over to the entrance where they sell firewood. I'm gonna go get a bundle because I'm thinking maybe I'll make some lunch over the campfire. And the walk is beautiful, so I can show you. Got my rain jacket because it is cloudy, man. The Apple weather app says that it's only gonna start raining at 4 p.m. but it's showing the weather to the closest town around here, not exactly here. And then I looked at AccuWeather, and they're also showing the weather to the town around here, but they're saying 11. So we'll see. That's why I have my rain jacket on. See, there's not that many people here today. Alright, I got my firewood, and because it's kind of awkward to carry, and I'm probably gonna have to switch it left and right from shoulder to shoulder when I get tired, I am gonna see you at the camp, unless I see something on the way interesting that I can show you. That was my exercise for the day. It hasn't started raining yet, but I'm gonna wait a bit because it's pretty cloudy, so hopefully they go away. I'm on the fence about this weather, but I'm not gonna wait any longer because it's almost lunchtime. On the apps, it keeps on changing when it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna chance it. This is part of camping, isn't it? I haven't used this in forever, so let's see how it looks inside. Not too bad. Not too bad. Still seasoned. The sun is trying to come out, but it's still pretty cloudy. So we're just gonna do it. We're gonna go for it. That's not gonna work. I thought I was clever. It's too low. This is much better. Also, I haven't used the cast iron in a very long time, so I'm pretty glad that I got to use it and season it back. So a lot of people are afraid to cook eggs or fish in cast iron or stainless steel. That's one of the reasons I actually pulled it out, so I kind of show you guys how I do it. My cast iron is already seasoned. Over the years, I just keep on seasoning it after I finish using it. I let it heat up first without any oil and without any butter. I use butter. And once it heats up nicely, not super hot, just like a nice medium heat, then I put the oil in, and then after that you can start cooking because it's ready to go. It's at the temperature that it's ready to go. So
Food for thought. I didn't pay attention to the fire when I was eating because, I was eating. So I need to rejuvenate this fire and move the logs on the side where I can move them better. Well, she's definitely brewing. Now it says at 3 p.m. It's 2 p.m. now. So I'm trying to just go through all this wood, stay warm a bit, and then I'm gonna head into the van. Well, it finally started raining, so we're gonna be inside for the rest of the night. Oh, can you even see? It's finally putting out the fire, which is great. I know I'm gonna be sleeping really well tonight. Maybe I can put this coat so it can dry off. I wanna see if I can put this coat somewhere where it's not in my face, but I can let it dry up, and potentially if I need to go outside. It's kind of in my face, but In the grand scheme of things, it didn't start raining for lunch, so I was able to make lunch over the campfire, and that was awesome. But I really like the rain because I'm gonna be sleeping so well tonight. Can't wait. I sleep really well when it rains. I do have some movies downloaded on Netflix because I got prepared. I think that's all I have for you guys for today. I found a video podcast that I want to watch, and it's 3 hours long, and I find it very interesting, so I really want to watch it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for hanging out on a rainy day and just chilling, relaxing, doing nothing special except my omelet. Scrambled eggs. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.